Alright guys, a quick update on the HFM festive contest. So yesterday was Tuesday and they sent another word. Mind you, the words are being sent every Tuesday and Thursday. So let's go to our notification center at the top right corner. Now when I scroll down, you can see that on the 13th this month they sent another word, which is HFM. So let's go to our festive contest. So here we have to find the right place for HFM, and just by looking at it I can clearly see that HFM should be at the latter part, which is here, HFM. So it reads, we have been evolving into HFM for the past 1 year. So for those of you who do not know, HFM was formerly known as Hot Forex. So they have evolved from Hot Forex to HFM. So make sure you do exactly as I have done here, and if you are not part of this, please make sure you take part of it. Register with the link I've provided in the description. This is an opportunity for you to win 1,000 US dollars without putting in any money. At the end of this contest, 5 lucky winners will be selected to get $1,000 each. So make sure you participate in it. It doesn't cost you any money to participate. Just register with the link I have provided in the description and take part of this. Peace out.